Your website might be perfectly accessible, but you're probably still excluding people every single day without even realizing it. Think about that PDF report you just sent out. If it's just an image of text, it's a complete brick wall for someone using a screen reader. They get total silence. To fix this, you need to use tags. Think of them as hidden labels that tell the screen reader what's a heading and what's a paragraph. It's the difference between a useful document and a digital paperweight. And your emails? That trendy light gray text on a white background? It's unreadable for tons of people. Your message is literally lost before it's even read. And please stop using click here for your links. A screen reader user just hears a list of click here, with zero context. Instead, write something clear like, read our new Q3 marketing report. It's that simple. Social media is another minefield. You have to write alt text for your images on Instagram and X. It's a built-in feature. It describes the photo for people who can't see it, letting them in on the joke or the big news. Also, a pro tip: use camel case for your hashtags. Write numbered digital inclusion, not numbered digital inclusion. A screen reader can pronounce the first one correctly. The second one is just a jumbled mess of letters. This isn't just about compliance or checking a box. It's about making sure your brilliant ideas and important updates actually reach everyone. Accessibility isn't a one-time website fix, it's a mindset for everything you create. Make every single message count.